Alright, so today I'm upgrading my thermostat, which is this analog one here, and I'm replacing it with another ecobee 3 Lite. I got this one on Ameren's it's a website that they have where everything's on sale. This was like $120 off, so I literally got it for I think $24 plus tax. Came out to about $36 shipped. I mean, these are $150 on Amazon, and if you guys need one, I'll put it in the description below this video so you can check it out. All you have to do is be an Ameren customer, and then you can they have bulbs on there, light bulbs, thermostats, different ones too for different prices. They had the Nest one on there for I think $54, so I chose this one because I already have one downstairs. So I'm gonna get this thing wired up real quick, and yeah, so check the description below if you need one. As you can see, we got the W here, W wire, and we got the RH wire. That's all that's plugged up, because this is just running a heater. It's got no AC. It's a 2-wire hookup. Well, if I'm lucky, I'll pull this wire out and there'll be more wires to it, hopefully. That way I don't have to run a new wire. Alright, on first look, it looks like there's only 2 wires, and I can't really pull any more. But then I went and I looked into the hole with the light, and you can actually see there's another wire down in there. I don't know, you probably can't see it on camera, but I see a green wire, but it's just a little too short that I can't pull it out. You can see it in there. See that green wire? Right there, you can kind of see it right there. I'm going to try to pull that out with some needle noses, and if I can, I'll get lucky and I don't have to run a new wire, because this needs 3 wires, one for the C, which is the common wire. Alright, took a little piece of wire, made a little loop on the end, reached in there until I can grab the cable, and I'm just pulling it out. So yeah, it was really stuck in there pretty bad. I was able to get it out finally. It looks like there's looks like 4, maybe even 5 wires in there, so I only need 1. Alright, so yeah, that's a 4-wire cable, and the reason why I couldn't get it out because they had this bunched up and pushed in there in the hole, and when you pull out this one, it was pretty much knotted in there.
Alright, let me unbox this thing so you can see exactly what you get. Alright, you open it. So you get the actual thermostat here. And that has to go connected to this piece here. So pretty much mounting plate is there. Okay. So you got a little
Level. So you know when it's straight. That's all you really need. This one is if you don't have the C wire, but if you only have 2 wires without a C wire, you still have to, you can't use this. You have to run a new wire. If you have 3 wires without the C wire, then you can hook this up at your furnace. I didn't have to do that.
And then back plate just in case you got a couple of big holes, which I don't think I'll need that for this one.